I planted this cedar tree. It's a red cedar. I live in Minnesota. Oh gosh, probably about 30 years ago. And the tree's really done well, very healthy and grown like crazy. But my yard is small and I want to keep it small. So I've trimmed it heavily for years. And I have trimmed the bottom part. But today I'm going to be trimming the top part. I want to show you how I trim these branches. When I'm going to take off a branch, I go back to where I'm going to save this, but I want to take off this part of the branch. So what I do is this is a bypass pruner, which means that when that blade closes, it goes past this one. There's also an anvil trimmer that I don't like. They don't seem to cut as cleanly as these, and you want a nice clean cut, and you want to keep this trimmer nice and sharp. But I go a 1/4 inch past this little branch, and I cut it at a 45-degree angle. And when you do that, it will stimulate, there's chemicals in the tree that will stimulate this branch to grow, and if there was just a bud there, it would do the same thing. So that's the way I'm going to trim this cedar tree to maintain its size, trying to keep it on the smaller size so it doesn't get too big for my yard. But I'm going to trim the top part same way I just showed you. I'll be taking off bigger branches though, and I'll show it to you when I'm done. I discovered one bird nest and 2 bird nests. The birds really love the cedar tree for protection and from predators and rain and things. Fun to see the nests. And there's the finish. I could not reach that one ranch, but I'll get that maybe next year. But be sure to check out my other videos. Please subscribe, like, share, leave a comment below. Have a great day.